It is remarkable that the neutron was not discovered until 1932. And today's topic is the discovery of neutron. In 1919, Rutherford discovered the proton, a positively charged particle within the atom's nucleus. But the other researchers were finding the proton and described that the proton did not seem to be the only particle in the nucleus. Scientists observed that all mass of an atom cannot be accounted on the basis of just electrons and protons when James Chadwick used scattering data to calculate the mass of this neutral particle. For example, the atomic number of helium is 2, and the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So, the atomic mass of helium should be double of the hydrogen atom. However, on calculation, the mass of helium atom was found to be 4 times more than that of hydrogen. It was the big reason for the discovery of the neutron. In 1930, Bothe and Becker bombarded a piece of beryllium with alpha particles from a radioactive source, produced neutral radiation which was penetrating, but non-ionizing. They observed a penetrating radiation emerging from the beryllium that they thought to be gamma rays. When a piece of paraffin wax was placed in the path of the beam, however, the reading on the detector actually increased. It was realized that the increase in reading was due to the emission of protons from the wax, and they tried to work out how this could be happening. If the proton emission had been due to bombardment of the wax by gamma radiation, the gamma rays would have to energy of around 16 MeV, very large for such a reaction. In the year 1932, James Chadwick conducted the same experiment, but he used different bombardment targets other than paraffin. After research and analysis of the various targets, he discovered the presence of a new particle. This new particle has a mass similar to that of the proton, but no charge. He named these particles neutrons. Furthermore, he derived the nearly accurate mass of this new particle by applying the conservation of energy and momentum. He measured the mass of a neutron to be nearly the same as that of a proton. Mn equals 1.00866 U equals 1.6749 by 10 to 27 kg. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.